Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the gas valve at the wall. In this video we're going to show you how to install the Maytag dryer natural gas conversion kit. It's going to be very easy to do and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instructions, a new cover, and a new orifice. The natural gas conversion kit is used when you want to convert the dryer from burning liquid propane gas to natural gas. In order to change the part, we have to take the dryer apart. First thing we're going to do is open up the door. Once you have the door open, we can use our Phillips screwdriver to take out the two screws that hold the door on. Once you have both screws out, you can lift up on the door and pull it out of the frame. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. On the other side of the door, we're going to take off the two screws and the covers. Once you have both screws off, we can pull the front panel off. To get the front panel off, we're just going to grab it right here on each side and pull out. There's a couple locking tabs that we have to release. Once you have those released, we can lift the panel off the lower mounting brackets. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we have access to the gas burner assembly. It's down here in the lower right-hand corner of the dryer. We're going to use a 5/16 socket with a ratchet to take out this screw so we can take the burner tube off the mounting bracket. Once you start to get the screw loose, you want to hold the burner tube assembly so it doesn't fall and break the igniter. Once you have the screw loose, you can reach in and just unscrew it with your hand. Once you have it out, you can push the burner towards the back of the dryer so it comes off the orifice, and we just want to turn it and set it down so that it doesn't damage the igniter. Now that we have the burner tube out of the way, we can reach in and take out the LP orifice. We're going to use a 3/8" wrench to take it off. Once you have it broke free, you can just unscrew it with your hand and pull it out of the dryer. Now that we have the orifice off, we can take the cover off. We're just going to use a flathead screwdriver to loosen it up. Once you have it free, you should be able to just turn it with your hand and take it off the gas valve. Here's the old liquid propane cover and orifice next to the new natural gas ones. If you already have these, great. If not, you can get them at AppliancePartsPros.com. You want to make sure you read over the instructions. This kit is to change the M-style valve from LP back to natural gas. You have to make sure you read the instructions over and follow them. It tells you all about making sure you have the correct gas pressure and how to adjust the burner tube so you get a good solid blue flame. Now we're going to put the new natural gas cover on. All you have to do is set it down on the valve and get it started. Once you have it snug, we can just tighten it down with a flathead screwdriver. Now that we have the cover on, we can put the natural gas orifice in. All you have to do is reach in and line it up with the valve. Once you have it snug with your hand, we can tighten it down with a 3/8" wrench. Now that we have the orifice in, we're going to pick up the burner tube carefully and put it in. But we're going to pull it all the way out to show you the adjustment. If yours has the stamping in it, LP and natural, all you have to do is loosen up this screw and turn the air shutter over and tighten it back down. If you have the type that doesn't have the stampings in it, then you may have to make a few different adjustments on it before you get the gas to burn that nice blue flame. Once you're ready, you can put the burner tube onto the orifice. As you're bringing the burner tube back, you want to make sure that the burner tube bracket is on the back side of the gas valve bracket so the screw will tighten on properly. Then you can get the hole lined up, and we're gonna start the screw with our hand, and then we can use the ratchet with the 5/16 inch socket to put in the screw. Once you have it started, you can grab your ratchet in the socket and tighten it down. Once we have the bracket tightened down, we can adjust the air shutter from LP to natural. All you have to do is loosen up this screw. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver. You don't want to take it all the way out, just loosen it up. Then we can change the air shutter all the way over to the natural position. Once you have it all the way over, you can hold it over and we can tighten the screw down. Once you have it tightened down, we can take off the LP rating labels. There's usually one up here by the door, and we're just going to peel it off so it's back to its natural gas rating. The other LP warning label is usually down here somewhere on the burner. Ours is right here, so we're just going to carefully lift it off and pull it off the bracket. Once you have the LP labels off, we can turn the gas on real quick and check for leaks. Once you're sure you don't have any, we can turn the gas back off and then put the dryer back together. In order to put the front panel on, all you have to do is set it down onto the lower brackets. Then we can lift it up, and you want to make sure that these locking tabs here go into these slots to hold the front panel on. Once you have the front panel on, we can put the screws and the covers on. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put these in. Now that you have the screws and the covers on, we can mount the door on the other side. To put the door in, we're just going to line up the tabs with the openings in the frame and push the lower one in. And then we can line up the upper one and push that in. Once you have them both in, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, turn the gas back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.